Are you getting chats real time during a meeting, on the go, while traveling or commuting? Did you just read a chat but want to make sure you see it again later for important information you need? Mark a chat as unread in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to mark a chat as unread. Let's get started. Open a chat and click the three dots next to a chat you sent. Click Mark as Unread. Your chat will go back to being unread and you can minimize and remember to address it later. So there you have it. Mark a chat as unread in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.